This is how this set of dams looks after we discovered that this one here is a leaker, and it is very old, but don't know why we had to get another one, and so we're back the next day to install it. Rowdy Creek. We're going to open this collar up so we can stick another AquaDam in it. We can either cut it or pull the thread, and we're pulling the thread. There, we've opened up the collar. We made a connection with the second AquaDam, and now we're going to go up and over this pipe by unrolling the dam. But we got a little bit of work yet to do by tying the sides in so it's not so wide, so when we go over it, the pipe here, there won't be so much water pushing against it. One of the pumps shut off. You can see this side's so much lower than the other side. This pump shut off. Now they're working on it to get her going again. It's probably the oil level. No, we've blocked her off. There's just a trickle there now. AquaDams like to hit the bank squarely, and this one didn't hit the bank squarely because the bank didn't cooperate. So that's what happens here. Kind of looks, does what it wants to do, but it's working. You can see the water is not gushing through anywhere, and except for the pipes.